Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. If you are new, hi, I'm Zina. Today we're gonna create this high updo with texture. I'll show you this version of texturized PROM, but an easier one, so anyone can recreate it. So I'll not waste your time and we'll start it.
We will select our top from ear to ear, not only crown section like usual. And we want to clip it away for later. Then we want to grab the rest and make a middle raised ponytail. You can make a high one if you like it. You want to loosen it a little bit, and then you want to use a donut bun, but you can make here any type of bun that you like, okay? I'll use a donut bun like I'm showing here, and I'll loosen the hair around to make a little bigger looking. I want to pin it in place from this side. Then, releasing our section, we want to divide it into 3 like that, and with the central section we will tie it using a clear elastic like I'm showing. Then we want to make an opening and bring this ponytail through it. Now you want to loosen a little bit this section to make a pull, and then you want to bring again through the same loop your ponytail, creating this twisted effect. Now you want to grab one of the side sections, leave some hair out because it makes your hairstyle effortless looking, but this is optional too. And then you want to make again an opening, bring this ponytail through this opening, and then loosen your section and bring this ponytail again through it. So basically you will repeat these steps with a section left. Now, grabbing our front ponytail, we'll divide it into 2, and grabbing the side ones, we want to crisscross them like I'm showing. Then, twisting the hair, we want to pull it to make it voluminous looking and pin it in place around created bun. And repeat with a section left. Use some hairspray and you're done!
If you enjoyed this hair tutorial, please don't forget about thumbs up. Also, you can subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget about the bell button so you'll be notified every time I post a new video, because I have so many ideas. Also, let me know in comments down below if you like this one and what kind of hairstyles you'd like me to make. Love you guys. I hope to see you soon in my next one. Bye!